Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I am the internet specialist here. We are part of Cox Motor Group team here in the northwest of England. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz SR 1.5 self-charging hybrid. Really nice Arctic white color. To start off with, the car gets front and rear parking sensors. You do have automatic headlights, which is a projector headlights. Came off a really nice customer. We sold it from brand new. The customer just upgraded to an HRV. In this video I'll be showing you walking around on the car, any wear and tear done to the vehicle. It's got full service history from Honda. Really nice. Lovely cloth interior. Customer said he's never used the back seats. Still got the magic seats on Jazz. Rear parking sensors, LED tail lamp. Nice little boot space. More storage space down there. It's keyless entry. So yeah, as you can see, there's no wear and tear anywhere on the car. It's been taken really good care of. Jump in, I'll show you the interior. So the driver gets automatic windows, the rest three are electric. You do have your wing mirror functions down there and locking system. Over here you got your parking system, vehicle stability control, Honda Sense, and your headlight adjustment. Cup holder, start button down there. Get multifunction steering wheel. On the left you get Bluetooth hands-free function and your driver screen adjustment down here. On the right we got adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, and lane keep assist. The car's done 10,468 miles, which is a single owner car. Auto headlights, auto wipers. You do have your touchscreen over here. You do have your navigation, also a couple of USBs in your 12-volt socket. Some more space down there. Automatic gearbox with braking mode, your eco mode, and electric handbrake and brake hold as well. You can get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto just by plugging it in there. You do have DAB, Bluetooth audio. Yeah, so the car's here with us. We will leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with the sales team if you want to know more about this car or you want to book a test drive. Also, you can ask the salesman to give you a personalized video as well. Okay. It does have a years of warranty from Honda and 1 year of roadside assist. So feel free to get in touch. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any single uploads. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.